this thing, this is harmful, this is different thing, and making the forcefully rule, do not follow this thing is different things.
Okay, what's your opinion about this? What do you think? What do you think about this? What we are discussing right now? Exactly.
Air conditioning.
Air conditioning.
Yes.
What do you think? Do you think that working all the time in air condition is good for health?
No.
Okay, so what you should do ideally, or what?
Ideally, I don't want to stay in a AC for a long time.
Okay.
Because
It affects the health.
yeah.
Yes.
The health. And
Sometimes when you move out, then you feel. Sometimes then you feel, coming out of an AC environment and going to the sun.
Actually, my lifestyle not.
As you are into events.
Yeah. There's a lot of time I'm out of.
Out of the AC environment. Okay, that's good. Okay, what's your opinion? Aryan, what do you think?
I think that AC should be used less as
Okay.
after when we go somewhere from AC, then we feel very lazy and headache sometimes.
Okay.
So that I used to on AC.
But don't you think that it energizes you to work comfortably? When you work, and if it is an AC environment, right now like we are doing a lot of discussion, 20 people are sitting here and we are dependent on this.
Add on this point because as population is increasing day
Yes.
by day and we are going in malls and
Yes,
everywhere.
that's
the
needed.
population is so much, and if for example in an event, if you
Yes.
talk about an event, live event, and people are gathered over there,
Yes.
there are lot of people are sweating and
Yes.
all, then it will not make you
But this
comfortable. And
is
because
due
of
to only of global warming. We are using the AC in our country. If you sometimes somebody.
But don't you think
visit-
that it is a reason of global warming as well?
Yes,
Yes, of course.
And if you visit to some another country, you definitely not feel sweat because
Because
the geographical areas and the global
Exactly.
warming in that countries are very less.
But that is not the only reason I feel, because these days we are cutting trees, shedding out trees, and we are making buildings over there.
Yes.
Because just because of the increasing population, because people are not aware that how many kids you should have, because people think more kids, more money.
Yes.
But I feel, this
Yes.
is the agenda what they do.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah, exactly.
Definitely, I will support
If
that because if coming
Now
from
this is called a GD.
if you are coming from humid area,
I have a conflict with your statement.
Okay.
Like we started the statement because
Like-
that we need to maintain a temperature at around 24 degrees, and that is imposed by the government. But if we are keeping ourselves in a temperature like 20 degree or 19 degree, and we are shivering, that is not a comfort level. Comfort level is to keep ourselves in around 24 to 25 degrees Celsius. So I believe like that is
Yes.
a good decision.
In metro cities, we are mostly using the ACs.
Yes.
If I will go to my home city, I not prefer to use AC in my home because
Yes.
the environment is very cool and
Yes.
there are more trees and there are some palms.
Exactly.
So it's comfortable. The environment is comfortable. I don't.
So what has to be done in order to maintain this? So what we need to do? We need to plant trees.
in my opinion, the
Has anybody planted tree before?
Yes.
So many.
Very good.
So many.
So many. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. Very good. You guys are doing
Around
good work.
50
Around 50 trees.
in
Fifty plants.
mango tree.
That's very good. Seeds. Okay, that's very good.
So in my opinion, the person should have the liberty to use like what PM Modi to every day they are